Very true. Not lie. Let's look at this. Nobody could do this. Forgive me, and I look so perfect. I mean, I could do it right. It's the girl Aricia. Y'all already know. Y'all favorite country girl. Y'all future millionaire. Yeah. Y'all favorite girl. Yeah. Anyways, what's up guys? Yeah. So today I'll be doing something quite different. Yeah. Can y'all guess what it is? Well, no, I already gonna know it because I'm gonna see it on the title. Yeah, and I'm a thumbnail. So today I'll be how should I put this? I'll be going on a solo date with me. And guess who? I must myself and I, cause who else? Anyways, I'll be going on a solo date. Well, not necessarily go on a solo date because I'm not going anywhere. Well, maybe I go on a solo date, take it or leave it. But it's a solo date at home. If you're feeling me, are you feeling me? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a solo date at home. Anyways, so basically, I think this is going to be a series. Maybe. Don't quote my word on it, because, well, quote my word on it because it's a new year, new beginning, new beginnings. In the beginnings. Anyways, yeah. So, quote my word on it. I think this is going to be a series. As me telling you in my previous video, every time I come on this, me come content about as me telling you. Well, I know say, I'm all about self-love, self-motivation, self-drive. Me telling you I'm driven and goal-oriented. I'm all about me. I'm all about myself. And in every little instance, I'm going to celebrate me. I was supposed to do this from last year. I even created a jar where I place some solid ideas, and like every month or 2 weeks I'll pick out one and do that, because you can't just be working out yourself and not taking the time out to, enjoy a little self, or get in touch with yourself, get back to your right mind or something. Just celebrate you, enjoy yourself, enjoy you, so today's solid idea. Yeah, I'll be going on a flower walk. Yeah, I've seen this on TikTok. Yeah, and I kind of like the idea. Yeah, cause I'm nice and girly. I love flowers, cause I'm a lover of nature. If y'all don't know, how can I not be a lover of nature? And I'm from the country. I am surrounded by nature. Come on now. Anyways, say I'll be going on a flower walk, and I'm going to take you guys with me. A little solid idea, to get a little, in touch with myself. A little excursion. Enjoy myself while enjoying nature, because I'm a nature lover. Yeah. Anyways, let's get today started. So the idea of this is basically you take a cardboard, make a vase or something. Yeah, make a vase. Not necessarily a vase, but you get the idea. Is this giving vase? It's giving a conical flask. Used to measure chemical or chemistry components, because this is not giving. Is it giving vase? And right by Orisa here. Maybe I spoiled it, but yeah, this is my little vase. Now let's go on the walk. Y'all wanna see my outfit? That's my outfit. I found my first set of flowers, y'all. Look at it. It looks so good already. I like these ones, so I want to pick one. I pick up plum man. It's a lot of yellow flowers, like almost every flower is yellow. That now gonna look good. Me they look for the braid them a fight. I look for different variations of flowers, but I'm only seeing yellow alongside different colors, but I'm only seeing yellow. I don't like that. It's not going to look pretty at all. It's just going to look, oh, you know that? There's something that's look, yeah. So go look. I can't see any flowers out here. Look. There is no flowers. The goats have eaten everything. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Oh, all these flowers look like it's going to fall off. Na 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 na. But we can't see where we're going. Oops. There's no flowers. It's just no flowers, man. I see no flowers, guys. It's just land. Oh, no flowers. I'm turning back. I'm not seeing any flowers. But I'm liking this though. I'm liking this. We feel adventurous. Not lie. Not lying to y'all. We feel adventurous. I'm so proud of it. Oh my god, I would like to go camping. No one can take me camping. Like literally. I thought I saw a flower. There is no flowers. The goats have eaten everything. Like literally. Literally. I'm still on the move. I'm still on the move. Yeah. It's coming along fine. Look. Pretty. I'm on my walk. I'm loving this, guys. Oh my goodness. Wish y'all could feel my joy. Like, see, this is all it takes. Just go out and make memories. The hell? Oh, I found the next one. Ooh, pretty. Just go out, guys, and make memories. It's that simple. Yeah. Not only am I getting flowers, I'm also exercising. So it's a win-win situation. I'm enjoying myself, enjoying my own company while exercising, while capturing scenic views. Like, look at that. Look at that. One country, number two. The goats are eating everything, guys. Like, literally eating everything. I can't get my things. This is coming along. Yeah. It's coming along. This is my view. I just had to put it in there. I just had to. It's too beautiful. I can't just not put it in there. I just had to, but yeah. I'm currently resting. I'm tired. I've been walking for so long. But anyways, yeah. It's worth it. guys, it's complete. And look how many things I'm gonna go get the flowers. I had to walk, but with faith, through grace, I got flowers to fill it out. Look at it. Angle, look at it. Ooh, I've completed it. It looks a little bit jumbled. I'm so proud of it, like, literally. So proud of it. Anyways, guys, I'm on my way back to my house. It has been real. Yeah, I really enjoyed this. Yeah, although I walked to gather these flowers, I really enjoyed it. And the rain is going to fall, so I have to go home to pick up my mother's clothes. Oh, them took up already. Yeah! Them took up already, guys. But anyways, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, and all that good stuff. Yeah. So nobody not to buy any flowers and you can pick on yourself flowers. You know the song that goes like, I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand. Yes, you can do that. Let's look at this. Nobody could do this. Forgive me, and I look so perfect. And me, I have to do it right. Anyways, y'all. The motivational quote of today is, no matter the situation, take the time out to connect with your inner self. To connect with yourself overall. Both inner and outwards. Connect with yourself. Whether that involves doing little DIY activities, taking yourself out on dates, doing something cute at home, or whatever. But yeah, remember to connect with yourself and celebrate you. Okay, that's the end of my vlog. This is the end of my solo date. Stay tuned for the other one. Thank you guys for watching. I love and appreciate you guys. Why does this yellow one keep falling out? I love and appreciate you guys. And yeah, to a successful YouTube channel or whatever, towards success, towards greater success. Yeah, so celebrate you. Yeah, even if it involves doing something as simple as this. Celebrate you. You deserve it. Remember, you're the prize, always. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching again. And have yourself a productive week.